This is
Nightingale.
very
Nightingale by Demi Lovato.
Demi Lovato. She's so perfect. So Demi, if you see this, hey, there's a guitarist and here's the backup vocals, you know. Okay, anyway, hope you guys like it.